Good evening. As you can see on the device there, I have a Kamasan B830 size 8. So tonight I'm actually going to tie hare's ear mayfly nymph, and it's going to be weighted. So this is lead free 0.5 mil. Fix the hole in place. Right, so we're going to be using Semperfli wax thread 8/0. Turns here in front first, and then bring your thread to the back and tie that in. Okay. Anti-clockwise, flatten out the thread, just start covering up the lead wire. That's not too bad there. Right, anti-clockwise again. Tail is from up to the tail. The hare's ear mask. Tie that in. Bring thread forward and put in your rib, which is a gourd wire. Right, body is going to be hare's ear. When I bring the fur forward, I'm actually doing a slight taper as well. Okay, bring the gold wire forward. Tie it in. Helicopter your wire out. So my Thorax cover is going to be a pheasant tail. Clip these oil off, these waste ends. Thorax dubbing is going to be a UV hares here. See, there's not much to this onto this fly, but it's absolutely deadly. From mayfly time, when you're on the nymphs, seeing that its weight is it's going to be a point fly. Okay. Bring your pheasant tail forward. Clip off your waist ends. And just whip finish. And then you can use either a UV resin just to protect the thorax cover, or you can use just a simple varnish. But there you go. It's just a very simple pattern, but very deadly. Now when that thorax cover dries, and I'll just pull out a bit of the thorax dubbing. Thanks for watching. See you again next week. Bye.